Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find the likes section or the likes posts on the profile section on your account on Bluesky, easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the Bluesky. Now as you see here, you are on the discover section or discover page. So in the bottom right you will find the profile. So as you see here, you find the posts and the replies and the media, the videos, and here you will find the likes. So every post you like, you will find it here. So that's it. That's how to find the likes on your profile section on Bluesky, easy and quickly. Oh, that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. See you in the next video.